Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Lisa and welcome to Take and Make Junior. Today we're going to make a really fun, easy craft, and it's two birds in a bird's nest. Now, usually in springtime we see a lot of birds, and mom birds are building nests so they can hatch their eggs. Well, today we're going to make two little chicks in a nest. Now, when you came or your parent or guardian came to pick up your kit, you had in it feathers, you have a piece of cardstock paper, you have two yellow circles and two blue circles, you have two pieces of orange paper cut into triangles like this. You have some googly eyes. It's hard to see on camera. You have a piece of construction paper in the shape of a nest, and you have some twine. That's gonna look like the twigs of the nest. So also, those are the things that you're going to need to make your chicks in a nest, but the only thing you're going to need is glue. And I would use liquid glue for this craft only because it's going to be a little easier. It might be hard if you have a glue stick, so I would use liquid glue. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take your piece of cardstock and you're going to lay it down. And you're going to put some glue on your bird's nest, and you're going to place it, you're going to glue it onto the piece of cardstock. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. You know, a little glue goes a long way. Okay. And I'm just going to glue it onto my piece of cardstock paper. Okay. So it should look like this. All right, so I'm going to put that right over here, and whoops, needs a little more glue. Okay. All right, so there's the nest. Now what we're going to do is build the body of the bird. So we're going to first I'm going to take my blue, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back. And then I'm going to glue the top part onto it so that it'll make a body of a bird. So I'm going to do my blue first, put a little bit of glue at the top of the circle, and then I'm just going to glue the other top of the circle onto it. Okay, so it should be like this. All right. Now I'm going to do the same with my yellow circles. I'm going to put a little bit of glue at the top. And then I'm going to glue the top of the body onto the top of the bird's head. Okay? So you should have one yellow body and one blue body. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to let that dry a little bit. We're going to go back to our nest, make sure everything is glued, and now what we're going to do is glue the body of the birds onto the nest. So what you can do is just put a little bit of glue at the top of the nest and glue your body on. Okay, so it'll look like this. See? Now I'm going to glue my other body on. Okay. Now we're going to let that dry a little bit. We're going to concentrate on the lower part of the nest. What you want to do is put some glue on your nest because we're going to stick the twine on the nest. Now, just know this is a little sticky because you're going to put the glue on, then you're going to put the twigs on or the twine on, and then it's going to get on your hand. So just be prepared for that. But it's okay because this is a fun craft. So just put some glue. Okay. And then, and if you have too much twine, you don't have to use all the twine, but it's fun. The more twine you put on, the more it looks like a real bird's nest. And don't worry if some of the twine comes up, it's okay. You just have to hold it down for a minute and it'll stick. So here you have your yarn or your twine on the bird's nest. So it's really coming into shape. It's looking like a real bird's nest, right? So now what you're going to do, the two final things we have to do are put eyes on the bird, on the chicks. So why don't you glue some eyes onto the head of the bird. You take your googly eyes and just put a little dab of glue on the back and then put them on the, okay. And there you have your ducks with their googly eyes. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your beaks, the orange pieces of construction paper, they're your beaks, and you're going to fold them in half. And you're going to put a little bit, I should say, of glue on the back of the beak. Just a little bit is all you need. And glue it on the face of the bird, just below the eyes. Okay, so now we have our birds and the nest. The only thing we're missing are feathers for the birds. So take the feathers you got in your kit. And glue some feathers onto the body of the bird. So just take some glue and put it on the body. All you need is like one or two feathers. It's not a lot. And there you have it, our two chicks in a nest. Wasn't that fun? It doesn't take very many materials, but it's a quick and easy craft. I hope you enjoyed making our chick in a craft, and come back next time with me and we'll do another craft, okay? Bye, boys and girls. Thank you.